Welcome back to the channel, and this is how to write in a Markdown on your phone. So, first thing is make sure to download this application, Joplin. It will be available on the App Store and the Google Play Store, and just simply open the application. Now, over here, you will have a welcome, and right away, it is a very simple interface. You just simply select the plus icon on the bottom right. Now, over here, you will have an option to create a new to-do list or create a new note. So let's say I'm going to go for a new note. And guys, remember that you could also attach files, do a recording, camera, and drawing. So I'm going to go for new note, and right away, you can just simply allow access to your location, or you can just simply select deny. Now provide a title over here, and you can just simply provide a letter over here or your note, and you can just simply select the three dots on the top right, and you could attach some file, recordings, or photo. And from here, you could have multiple actions that you could do on the three dots, and you could provide a link down below, and you could toggle on H2, or you could go for bold, and you could go for italic. And pretty much over here you will have multiple options like the bullet forms, the paragraph format, and the tags. And you could just simply go for the gear icon if you want to be more specific with the tools. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.